Most people think they're broke because they don't work hard enough, but the truth is far more dangerous. You're broke because someone else automated your earning potential before you did. And today I'm going to show you the new automation hack no one is talking about that regular people are quietly using to go from $0 to $10,000 a month without coding, without an audience, and without spending their entire life trying to hustle. If you stay until the end, you'll know exactly how this works and how people are replacing their full-time income in weeks, not years. Welcome back to Passive Income Pro. The harsh reality. You can't outwork automation anymore. There was a time when you could grind your way to success, put in more hours, make more money. That world is gone. Today, you can work yourself to exhaustion and still fall behind because you're competing with systems that can do the same job as you faster, cheaper, and 24/7. The biggest shift is this: money no longer flows to the hardest worker. It flows to the smartest automator. If you don't learn automation, you don't just miss opportunities, you lose to people who did. And most of them aren't more talented. They just plug into systems that handle the boring, repetitive tasks for them while they enjoy the results. This script will show you how to become one of those people starting today. The $10,000 a month myth. Why most people never get there. Everyone wants the magical $10,000 a month milestone, but very few people understand what it actually is. It's not a rich number, it's a freedom number. At 10 grand a month, you escape survival mode. Bills are covered, savings grow, stress drops, and suddenly you have room to breathe. The problem? Most people chase that number like it's a mountain they have to climb alone. In reality, you're supposed to build your way up with systems that do the heavy lifting for you. But society conditioned you to think you must do everything manually, every email, every post, every sale, every task. That mindset alone keeps more people broke than any recession. The $10,000 goal becomes reachable the moment you stop thinking like a laborer and start thinking like a builder. The hidden shift. AI plus microsystems are the new online gold rush. Everyone is busy chasing big AI tools, complicated coding tricks, or business models that require massive time investment. Meanwhile, a small group of creators and entrepreneurs discovered something far more powerful: micro-automation systems. These are small, simple workflows that handle a single job, but when you stack them, they produce exponential income. The beauty is in the scale. You don't need a massive brand or a million followers. You only need systems that run consistently, make money while you sleep, and multiply your output without multiplying your effort. This shift is so new that most people don't even realize it's happening. But those who do are quietly building income streams that outperform traditional jobs. The automation hack no one is talking about here, it is the hack that is blowing up behind the scenes. Automated digital distribution. This means using AI plus simple tools to create, package, and distribute digital assets across multiple platforms without manual effort. Here's why it's so powerful. Instead of creating one product and trying to sell it repeatedly, you create one system that distributes that product everywhere automatically. That's how beginners go from zero to earning 5 figures a month, because they're no longer trading time for output. Imagine producing the equivalent of 200 pieces of content, 50 product listings, 30 email sequences, and 10 sales letters. But you only did the original creation once. That's the secret. And yes, you can start with 0 skills. The rise of set once, earn daily digital assets. Think about your current job. If you don't show up, you don't earn. But digital assets break that cycle. A digital asset is anything created once and sold. Infinitely ebooks, templates, scripts, guides, automation workflows, prompts, planners, mini courses, and so much more. The reason they're exploding now. AI creates 80% of the asset, and automation distributes it. Your job isn't to write perfect content. It's to refine what AI gives you and upload it into systems that handle the rest. This is why the new wave of online entrepreneurs isn't made of influencers or programmers. It's regular people who realized that if you build one good asset a week and automate its distribution, you can create a snowball that eventually becomes your $10,000 month machine. The blueprint, one automated asset, 10 income streams. The new model looks like this. Instead of creating 10 different digital products, you create one high-value asset and connect it to 10 automated income streams. For example, one guide or template can be automatically turned into an online listing, emailed to leads, posted in marketplaces, split into social media content, repackaged into new formats, turned into micro-content daily, included in bundles, promoted through affiliates, offered with upsells, sold on autopilot through a simple funnel. The key is not to work harder, It's to connect all the pieces. One digital asset becomes 10 opportunities. One decision becomes 10 outcomes. That's why this method scales so quickly, because you're not building 10 businesses, you're building one system. The real secret: automate the boring work first. People get excited about earning money online, but they burn out because they're stuck doing all the repetitive tasks. They waste hours designing covers, rewriting descriptions, posting listings, or sending follow-up messages. The breakthrough comes when you automate these boring but necessary tasks. Once AI tools handle your descriptions, resizing, rewriting, emailing, and posting, you free up your time to focus on the only thing that truly matters: creating more assets. This moves you from do everything manually to do the important thing once. The less you touch the repetitive work, the faster your income scales. That's how automation turns a single hour into the equivalent of 10 hours. Why this works even if you're broke: you don't need money to start this. You don't need special skills. You don't need business experience. You need one thing: the ability to take advantage of leverage. If you're broke, automation is your unfair advantage because it gives you the productivity of a team without needing to hire a team. It turns you from a single individual into an operation. When you're broke, your resources are limited, so you can't waste time. Automation lets you skip the slow growth phase and move directly into the producing and scaling phase. It's not about where you're starting. It's about whether you're building in a way that compounds. The 3-step system to hit $10,000 a month faster than anyone expects. Here's how people are doing it. Step 1. Build one high-value digital asset. Start with one thing: a guide, a template, a digital plan, a toolkit, or a workflow. Use AI to create 80% of it. Your job is only to refine it. Make it clean, useful, and easy to consume. Step 2. Automate its distribution. Set up simple workflows that post your asset, repurpose it, email it, and distribute it across multiple platforms. Instead of uploading manually 14 times, automation sends your product everywhere on autopilot. Step 3. Multiply your ecosystem. Once your system runs without your involvement, add one new asset per week. After 8 weeks, you have 8 digital earners connected to the same automated engine. That's how the income grows steadily until it crosses $5,000, then $10,000, then more. This isn't fantasy, it's a formula. And formulas don't care who follows them. The mindset shift: stop trying to be the machine, start owning the machine. You are not supposed to be the worker, the marketer, the copywriter, the designer, the strategist, the salesperson, and the engine. Machines do that now. Automation does that. Your role is simply to design the system that does the job for you. This mindset shift is the single most important factor that separates those who stay broke from those who build wealth quickly. If you think like a worker, you live like a worker. If you think like a builder, you live like a creator of wealth. The moment you stop being the machine and start owning the machine, everything changes. The hidden power: compounding digital real estate. Every digital asset you create becomes a tiny piece of digital real estate. And instead of paying rent, these digital properties pay you. Every time someone buys, downloads, clicks, enters your funnel, or reads your content, your assets make money without you being present. Now imagine owning 10 of these. Then imagine 20. Then imagine 50. This is why the new automation hack is so powerful. It doesn't rely on luck, virality, or going viral. It relies on stacking assets that work 24/7. This is the safest, most predictable path to $10,000 a month that exists today. The trap to avoid: do not chase every opportunity in the automation world. Distractions are everywhere. New tools, new tricks, new strategies. If you try to chase everything, you end up with nothing. Focus on one system, one asset, one distribution engine. The people winning right now aren't the ones doing the most. They're the ones doing the right few things consistently. Stick to the plan, refine your system, and keep adding assets to the same pipeline. Simplicity scales. Complexity kills. The final formula, $10,000 a month, is just a math problem. It's not magic. It's not luck. It's math. If one digital asset makes $7 a day, that's $210 a month. 5 assets, $1,050 a month. 10 assets, $2,100 a month. 20 assets with automation pushing them daily, $4,200 a month. 50 assets, over $10,000 a month passively. When you break it down this way, the whole thing becomes simple. You're not trying to make one product earn $10,000 a month. You're building a portfolio that grows because automation keeps each asset alive, active, and profitable. If you're tired of being broke, tired of working harder than ever and getting nowhere, tired of watching other people pass you while you stay stuck, then it's time to stop trying to outwork the world and start out automating it. Because the people winning right now, they're not smarter, they're not luckier, they're not special. They just learned one thing before everyone else: money flows to the systems you build, not the hours you work. And today, you have everything you need to build those systems. This is Passive Income Pro. helping you break out of the old mindset and step into the new era of automated income. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you want more life-changing scripts like this. See you in the next one.